Every young girls and women experience menstrual cramps every month, which can last a whole week. Each menstrual cramp is different depending on the person. During your period, contraction happens to the walls of the uterus, creating cramps and squeezing feelings, sometimes hemorrhoids or both. Some people experience stronger cramps than others. During the cramping seasons, the lining comes out of your body and the period flow out of the vagina. Proper care, self-love, healthy eating, patience, loved ones' understanding and support are required to navigate during that season. 2 weeks before the periods, your body is sending you signal about the changes that are happening to prepare your body to enter the period season. You need to listen and act on them. Here are 5 tips to help you manage your painful period. 1. Avoid drinking sugary drinks, sugary foods, and fatty foods. Sugar will make the cramps stronger and the time to recover longer, so stay away from it. Your body will thank you later. 2. Take over-the-counter pain reliever like ibuprofen or Tylenol and/or a hemorrhoids cream. The pain reliever will help get rid of the cramps in the next 15 to 30 minutes. By taking a pain medicine, the cramps pain will increase first and so is the blood flow before easing it down. Don't worry, this depends on the person. Some people have a faster reaction than others. The hemorrhoid cream will help ease the nerve linked to the vagina. An anal inflammation can happen during your period. 3. Make sure you rest. I will emphasize in it. Rest up, take a nap as much as you can and when needed. There is something about taking a nap that is smoothing the uterus, which is then decreasing the pain. That tip will only work when you are home. In an environment where you can't lay down, the next tip will help you relax a bit. 4. Tip number 4 is drinking a lot of water, especially warm or hot water. Yes, water helps with cramps. Make sure you hydrate your body while you bleed out. Warm and hot water will help you with dizziness, reduce the abdominal cramps and increase your metabolism naturally. 5. Last but not least, make sure you are eating healthy plant-based food. Plant-based foods or healthy foods in general are rich in nutrients, fiber and vitamins like iron, omega-3s, B vitamins the body needs to replenish itself. By eating healthy, your body will replace the nutrients lost during your period. If all the above methods don't work, if have been diagnosed with premenstrual syndrome, PMS, or endometriosis, please see a doctor. That is for today. We hope you learned something new with us. Like and subscribe to be notified every time we post a new video. See you next time.